Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're bringing you a fantastic review of the 2-pack TPLMB air purifiers for bedroom. If you want to ensure clean and fresh air in your home, this is the perfect solution for you. THEP60 air purifier features an H13 HEPA filter, making it ideal for pet owners, parents of newborns, asthma sufferers, and anyone seeking clean air to breathe. It's a game changer for improving the air quality in your living space. But that's not all. This air purifier also comes with a fragrance sponge, allowing you to add your favorite essential oil for a pleasant and healthy environment. Plus, with its low decibel level and nightlight mode, it ensures a peaceful and comfortable sleep environment for you and your family. What's more, the TPLMB air purifier boasts high circulation rate, covering every corner of the room and promoting your health. And don't worry about filter replacement. The red indicator light will remind you after 1500 hours of use to change the filter. You can easily purchase the official replacement filters to maintain the purification effect. So, if you're ready to experience superior purification and enjoy fragrant air in your home, make sure to check out the 2-pack TPLMB air purifiers for bedroom through the link in the description. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to improve your indoor air quality. Thanks for watching, and be sure to hit that subscribe button for more reviews and recommendations.